Internet warriors, welcome back. Ready to install Earthlink internet at home? Fiber or wireless? Well, I've got the simple steps to get you online fast. So firstly guys, Earthlink offers fiber, wireless or satellite. Fiber and wireless are DIY friendly. Your self-install kit arrives with a modem or router for fiber or wireless device. For 5G or 4G, you'll also get a quick start guide, power adapter and Ethernet cable for fiber. Satellite, that's pro-installed. Call a specific number if that's you. Now in terms of the wireless setup, my friends, let us talk about it. So for wireless, it's a breeze. Plug the device into a power outlet, place it near a window for a best signal, wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to connect to 5G or 4G towers. Open your phone's Wi-Fi, find the network name on the device's label, start with Earthlink, and enter the password from the label. Connected, you're online. Now for the fiber, connect the modem to the fiber wall jack with the Ethernet cable, or use the red ONT port if you've got one. Plug in the power adapter, wait for lights to go green, about 2 minutes. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi name or end password on the modem's sticker. If it's not working, check earthlink.net/support for cable tips. And that's it, Earthlink internet installed. Stream, game, scroll, whatever's your vibe. Love this guys, smash that like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Stay connected.